हावजा कडेन आसले. सो हिंगा आतां तो फुटपाथीचेर हें घाल्लेलें तेणी क्रिसमस ट्री इशू कितें जालो?
एक्चुअली कितें आसा, गोवा कॅनान तो विशय घेतलो आसा टू कीप द फुटपाथ्स एंड पेवमेंट्स फ्री फॉर पेडेस्ट्रियन्स टू वॉक. आनी फालींच आमच्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटीन आमी डिस्कशन केलें की सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो ऑर्डर येयला आतां की द पॅसेजीस शूड बी लेफ्ट फ्री. सो म्हाका 5 दीस फाटीं म्हाका कंप्लेन येयले आनी फोटोय धाडले हांगा. सो आयज हांव मुद्दम येयलो पळोवपाक आनी ताका विचारलें बाबा हें कितें करता तूं. I got the permission म्हणलो म्हाका फ्रॉम द कमिशनर. हांव म्हणलें इफ यू गॉट द परमिशन यू शो द परमिशन. आय डोंट नीड टू शो यू गेट आउट फ्रॉम हियर म्हणलो आनी म्हाका एब्युजीव लँग्वेज वापरूंक लागलो. म्हणून हांव गेलो CCP कमिशनर लागलो. हांवें ATOक मेळ्ळो. हांवें 2 म्युनिसिपल इन्स्पेक्टर घेवन येयलो आनी ही स्टार्टेड एब्युजींग देम ऑल्सो. यू नो आय वील नॉट रिमूव, यू डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट एंड दीस एंड दॅट. मागीर आय स्पोक टू कमिशनर एंड कमिशनर स्पोक टू देम आनी तांकां सांगलें तूं काड नाल्यार आमी उखलता म्हणून. And you can see now how clear the footpath is. Now, we are not against business. We are totally, without business there is no consumer, and without consumer there is no business. We are clear about it. But this cannot be that you take over the payments, you do what you want, and just drop some official's name when actually that official is not involved. You know, even they try to give a bad impression to some of the councillors also. Just saying that, you know, all sorts of things. This is not fair. And therefore, our whole point was to clear it so that, see, there are so many tourists moving in Panjim. I was standing here, small children, foreign tourists are walking up and down. There should be a clear passage for them. If some untoward incident happens, what will be the message going from Goa on the eve of Christmas? That was our whole point. And we want to emphasize that in the new year also, business should flourish. Absolutely, no question of that.
Mr. Martin, the same thing is happening in the Panjim market also. If you go to the Panjim market, they have already occupied all the footpaths.
We have been taking up a campaign to free the church square from also the pan and gutka sellers, because this is a serious problem. You see, so we are getting calls from so many places that Baba, this is on the footpath, this is going on, and repeated drives we have done, and CCP has supported us in the drive. Our point is very clear that business should run very well. We are not against it. But if the business starts spilling on the footpath, then people will have to walk on the road. There will be accidents. And you can see the situation, you know, how difficult this, even the height of the road has gone up. So the limited space of the footpath is there where people have to walk freely. And this is a very important, 18 June road is a very important road, not only for the Ponjekars, people coming from other parts of Panjim, but tourists. You know, people like to have a nice walk. You know, and that is why we appreciate the broad footpaths that are there. Now, this is the message we wanted to send, that don't abuse authority. Don't try to, you know, just drop names. And I'm very grateful to the commissioner and the municipal inspectors to come and see for themselves. And they encountered the same behavior from this person, you know. And you can see there are other shops in this building who are also doing business. You know, there are mattresses, there are even Christmas trees being sold, but nobody has gone to the extent of, you know, all the garbage was thrown here, boxes, then wires across the road. It's not fair, you know, and that is why we wanted to take this action today.